Honda just brought back an icon, and it's meaner than ever. The 2027 Fury is here, and if you've been waiting for a chopper that blends old-school attitude with cutting-edge tech, your patience just paid off. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the rides that matter. Design. Let's talk presence. The Fury stays true to its chopper roots with that impossibly low profile and stretched out stance. The raked out front end and fat rear tire give it that classic custom look straight from the factory. Honda's updated the bodywork with sharper lines and a more aggressive fuel tank design. You're getting premium finishes, blacked out components, and LED lighting throughout. This bike doesn't just sit in your garage, it commands attention wherever it goes. Performance. Under all that style sits a completely redesigned 1400cc liquid-cooled V-twin that pushes out impressive torque across the entire power band. The 6-speed transmission is butter smooth, and the low-end grunt makes city cruising effortless. Honda's also refined the suspension geometry, so despite the hardtail appearance, you're getting a surprisingly comfortable ride for those longer hauls. Features and technology. Here's where 2027 shines through. The Fury now includes ride-by-wire throttle, multiple riding modes, and traction control that you can actually toggle. There's a compact digital display that feeds you everything you need without cluttering that clean aesthetic. Smartphone connectivity comes standard, plus cornering ABS for added confidence. Conclusion. So there you have it. The 2027 Honda Fury proves you don't have to choose between classic style and modern performance. What do you think? Is Honda back in the chopper game? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, share it with your riding crew, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more in-depth motorcycle coverage. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Ride safe out there.